Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Today I will introduce you a verified company which is called Betta Medical. The company was founded in 2017. It's under the leadership of entrepreneurial elite management team from top 500 MNC worldwide. Now we are in our sample room, and on my left side is our sales and product manager, Mr. Yan. Hello, Mr. Yan.
Hello, Fiona.
It's very great honor to visit such a big company. So, can you introduce some of our products here?
Sure. This is one of our hottest products, the External Fixator series. We have got the transport bone handling External Fixator. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one is a Q-type combined external fixator. We have also got the raised external fixator and R-type combined external fixator. This one is the entire external fixator. We have also got the ring-type multifunctional external fixator.
We also cooperate with many famous orthopedic public hospitals in China. We mainly export to Asia, Europe, South America, and so on. We have 2 workshops, 3,100 square meters in total. Manufacturing workshop is 2,000 square meters. Storage is 1,100 square meters. On my right side is our 4-axis engraving machine. And this one is our 5-axis Makino CNC center. Here is our citizen slitting machine. We support you right from the product design stage with our know-how and technical support to the final products. In the design phase, we offer rapid prototyping to verify your product prior to series production. We have 2 laboratories. Here is a sterile laboratory. Let me make a brief introduction of our sterile lab. We have got purified water system, 100,000 level clean workshop. Here is our post-processing workshop. is our inspection area. All manufacturing steps are subject to strict quality requirements. Consistent quality control and process optimization are an essential part of our goals. Quality assurance systems in accordance with ISO 13485. All processes are validated according to the ISO and CE requirements. These products are waiting for inspection. These products are already finished inspected. Now we are in our finished products warehouse, and on my right side is our raw materials warehouse. Best treatment brings more wonderful lives.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.